Children, let's see the upper body parts. This is head and face. This is chest and stomach. This is upper arm. This is forearm. This is hand. This is arm. Children, let's see the lower body parts. This is thigh. This is calf muscles. This is foot. Totally, this is leg. Color the boxes with upper body parts in red and lower body parts in blue. Now let us see the upper body parts. Upper body parts are stomach, chest, head, hands, then arms. These are all the upper body parts. We will color it in red. Then Now let's see the lower body parts and color it in blue. This is leg. This is toes. This is foot. Let's color it. Fill in the blanks by writing the answers. I see with my eyes. We will see all the things around us with our eyes. I hear with my ears. We hear the sounds with our ears. I smell with my nose. We smell the flowers and other fragrance with our nose. I taste with my tongue. We taste our food with our tongue. Shall we write it now? Okay. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I taste with my tongue. You should write it in your book.